BYD surprises everyone by presenting an innovative car that is actually capable of jumping. If you're not familiar with BYD, let me tell you that it is a prominent Chinese brand specializing in electric vehicles. In fact, we could say it is the leading brand in China. I would compare it to the Huawei of electric vehicles due to its significant influence and reputation. Over the recent years, BYD has been rapidly gaining a lot of popularity, although they are best known for producing affordable cars with this new model called Yangwang. They are demonstrating that they can indeed create very premium and high-end products. This is a luxury sports car that truly stands out due to several impressive features. One of the most striking aspects is its active suspension system. This advanced technology allows the car to adjust its height dynamically, enhancing the driving experience significantly. It also provides the car with a futuristic appearance, as this vehicle can actually jump and even perform a dance. Moreover, this suspension system contributes to a much smoother and more comfortable ride as it adapts better to various types of terrain. Regarding the design, this vehicle boasts an elegant modern style, providing a premium experience both outside and inside. Inside, it features a partial autonomous driving system, meaning the car assists with driving tasks, but the driver must remain attentive. Performance-wise, this electric vehicle sacrifices nothing. It is capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 kph in approximately 3.9 seconds as per the manufacturer's data, which is notably fast. Furthermore, the battery offers a significant range. Specifically, it can go up to 700 kilometers. Regarding the price, it is projected that this model will range between $50,000 and $60,000, indicating it is clearly positioned within the price range of luxury electric vehicles.